Good evening. Today, we will be covering the post-market update dated the 21st of November, 2023. After a two-day fall, the equity indices ended higher on November 21st, erasing most of the last two session losses amid buying seen across the sectors barring capital goods and oil and gas stocks. At close, the Sensex was up 275.62 points, or 0.42% at 65,930.77, and the Nifty was up 89.40 points, or 0.45% at 19,783.40. Biggest gainers on the Nifty included SBI Life Insurance, HDFC Life, Adani Enterprises, Hindalco Industries, and JSW Steel, while losers were Coal India, ONGC, BPCL, Tech Mahindra, and LTI Mindtree. Talking about the corporate segment, we have SUZLON Energy fell around 5% to hit the lower circuit on November 21st morning ahead of an investor meet later in the day. The company said the event is being organized by JM Financial Institutional Securities. The company's financials for the fiscal second quarter and the half-year ended September 30th would be discussed in the meeting, and no other unpublished price-sensitive information would be shared during the meeting. TALBROS Automotive extended its gains from the previous session, jumping 15% on November 21st, after the company has received 580 rupees crore worth of orders from international and domestic customers. The orders received are across its business divisions, including export orders of 415 rupees crore and multiple EV orders for 270 rupees crore from leading original equipment manufacturers. The share price of TITAGARH Rail Systems touched a 52-week high, and ABB India shares were up nearly 1% in the early trade on November 21st as both the companies formed a strategic partnership for the supply of propulsion systems for metro rolling stock projects in India. TITAGARH Rail Systems has touched a 52-week high of 1,023.60 rupees, and quoting at 1,008.10 rupees, up 72.05 rupees, or 7.7%. The partnership covers an agreement for TITAGARH to purchase ABB propulsion systems, including traction converters, auxiliary converters, traction motors, and TCMS software. SUNTECK Realty rallied 4.5% on November 21st after brokerage firm Motilal Oswal initiated buy coverage on the counter with a target price of 640 rupees, implying 33% upside from the current price. In the past 3 months, the Realty major has jumped 27% against a percent rise in the benchmark Sensex. Analysts at Motilal Oswal expect SUNTECK Realty to deliver a healthy 25% compounded annual growth rate over financial year 2023 to 26, fueled by ramp-up in launches from both new and existing projects. Shares of OBEROI Realty share price gained 4.5% on November 21st, after the company launched the first luxury residential project in Kolshet, Thane. On November 20th, the company announced the launch of Forestville by OBEROI Realty, spread across 18 acres, consist of 5 residential towers. The company has launched the first phase of this development consisting of 3 towers. The apartments at Forestville will comprise predominantly of spacious 3-bedroom apartments starting from 1,090 square feet at 1.87 rupees crore onwards. AUTOMOTIve Realty Limited in daily time frame is trading around 101.40 points with a change of 20%, and is trading with a net volume of around 2.034 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 88.45, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 70.98. Sastasunda Ventures Limited in daily time frame is trading around 467.40 points with a change of 20% and is trading with a net volume of around 699.697 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 404.85, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 77.11. Dunsary Investments Limited in daily time frame is trading around 1,216.70 points, with a change of 20% and is trading with a net volume of around 133.618 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 1008.40, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 82.01. For the stock recommendation we have, Asain looks good and can be bought at 1,814 rupees, keeping a stop loss of 1,778 rupees and a target of 1,870 rupees.
You can reach us via phone, WhatsApp, or email using the information listed on the screen. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial insights. And, as always, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, leave them in the comments section below. Until next time, happy investing.